Hello guys, in this video I will show how to fix projecting to this PC feature disabled problem in Windows 10 or 11. So guys, to resolve this problem, just follow some easy steps. Click on start. Now here search optional features. Open this optional features. Now here you will see the option add an optional feature. Click on view features. Now here search wireless. This one, wireless display. Select this one. Then here click on next. Then install. Now wait for a few seconds till this downloading and installing process will complete. And once this complete, close and restart your system. Then once you try, to open projecting to this PC, so these all options will be available, and just launch the wireless display app to project to this PC. So thanks for watching and comment this method work for you or not, and please share, like and subscribe this channel.